tutorials videos, support us by like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos. Hello guys, welcome in a new tutorial in Final Cut Pro X. Today I'm gonna show you how to export a video using Final Cut Pro. First you have to go to that icon and choose which option would you like to use. Maybe you can use master file or Apple devices, or other way we can go to file and share. We can use master file default. Here the extension is MOV, that can use for Apple devices only, or otherwise you can use setting and change from video and audio to become computer. That's if you want to use the video on your computer. Also you can check from here, it's working for Mac and PC, and we can change the resolution from here. If you make the resolution less, you can get less size like that. The size decrease from 45 to 28. We saved a lot, but it's better if you want to see the video with a high quality. You can choose 180. You can see the size become 46 megabyte. I think it's not a lot. We can choose next. We can type save file and then press save. Here this icon, you can see that's the time that Final Cut will take until finish the exporting your video. I think fast. Final Cut already finished. We can click show to see the video. Here is the video. We can play. Working well. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos for Final Cut tutorials, please make like and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos.